Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a grammatically incorrect or auto-translate payment label using the Next Reorder app. So this help make your checkout look more professional and easier for customers to understand. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here in payment method, we can choose the quick rename payment method. Okay, to configure the rule, we have to give the rule name like fix payment label. Okay, now the rule status is activated. So here we can select the payment method. Here select credit card. Okay, now we can rename. So here I'm giving like pay by credit card. Okay, now it is more clear with customer. So here you can see in gold preview. Okay, in preview section we can see was it is credit card and by it will update it to pay by credit card. So before that we can go to this checkout section and let's see what it is before. Yeah, it is in credit card. So now we can click on save. Okay, the rule has been created. Go to the checkout section and let refresh it. Okay, here we can see the pay by credit card is given instead of credit card. So you can see the updated payment label with the new. So it is easy to understand by the customer. So that's it. So clear payment label make checkout easier for customers and give your store a more professional appearance, especially for international shoppers. So that's it. He has successfully updated a payment label using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.